Okay, here we go. It's Jay here with Rogers Motor Cars. Today we've got a 2024 Z06. Beautiful car, loaded with options. This one was a 170 MSRP. It has been wrapped. It's got a dragon blood wrap on it. The decals are factory installed. Those are the Jake logos. The C8.R graphics package. Everything's carbon flash painted. The roof, the wheels are carbon fiber, carbon flash. Rear spoiler is carbon fiber, very nice. This is the aero package wing. It did not come stock on the car. It was purchased after the fact and installed. We do have the original that came on it. The diffuser down there, carbon flash, very nice. It's got chrome tips. The car came with black tips. We do have those as well. Ground effects are all carbon, factory installed. Really cool car. Love the color combination on this. Some of the other options, it's got the front lift, of course, a big option on this. It's got the front lift package. Looking at the window sticker here, it's got the carbon fiber steering wheel, the adrenaline two-tone seats, custom interior trim, very beautiful. Some logo stuff that was installed. This is a 3LZ, so it's got heads-up display and heated cooled seats and all that fun stuff, so fully loaded. Tires are brand new on this. No curved wheels or anything. It was ceramic coated as well before the wrap was done. It was $8,000 to have this car wrapped. We have those receipts. All the recalls are up to date. We have dealer maintenance records as well. It's got the engine appearance package, and there's a custom color matched engine cover you'll see in the photo gallery. I'm not going to open it right now because the top's down. Can't open it. Beautiful interior. Take a look at the side here. Of course, Bose sound system, everything. Carbon fiber steering wheel looks great. Your mileage in there, 4,752. This is a one owner, clean Carfax. Does come with the fitted custom car cover from the dealer. 2 keys, all the books, the records. Totally complete car here. Really beautiful. No scuffs on the front spoiler. No rock chips. Immaculate condition here if you're looking for one of these. Now underneath the wrap, it is hypersonic gray metallic. So if you wanted to take the wrap off, you don't like the dragon blood, you get hypersonic gray underneath. But you don't see any of the gray anywhere. They wrap these door jambs and everything, so it looks like it's a factory paint job. No gray. Just give us a call, text, email. Love to do a deal on this one. Clean Carfax, low miles. We have a clean Texas title. So fast. We can ship this enclosed anywhere in the country. Long distance deals are no problem. Extended warranties, no problem. If you have your own financing, not a problem. If you are cash, not a problem. If you need financing, we have some options for you. So just give me a call. Let's talk about it. If you want any videos or extra pictures, you want to FaceTime or something, just give me a holler. We'll get it done. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Rogers_Motorcars. We've got a Facebook page too. And we'll talk later. Thanks.